Another Acer new products they launched at CES is their Helios 300 gaming PC. It's coming with the RTX 3080. There are a lot of Acer PCs that were launched. I know I should really be covering them almost together, but these are different model lines. So I'm gonna have to try my best to at least separate them so you know that this is a new line that they launched. So this Predator Helios 300 is a more or less like a flagship level PC coming with your Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080. Its price is starting at $1,249. It's a gaming powerhouse. You can configure the RAM to go all the way up to 32 gigs of RAM. The display is quite fast at 240 Hz refresh rate. It has DTS:X Ultra audio tuning on board. It's really well made. Like the Helios 300 is just designed for people that want crazy power in their gaming performance. Honestly, I think Acer is doing a lot. At least at CES, it's the PC is also coming with HDMI 2.1, so it is now feature. At least it's covered really. It's really covered. Honestly, so that's just the thing available right now. Honestly, there are a ton of new products coming out from these manufacturers, and Acer is one of them. They are really launching a ton of new products. They even launched their Predator Triton 300 SE as well. Um, these are gaming PCs. This one is coming with the RTX 3060. Look, I can go over every single model that was launched because there are a lot of PCs that came out. It is just crazy. Like all these companies, they're bringing out different models, different stuff, different, almost the same thing at the end of the day because these PCs do almost compete, if not perform in the same manner. But it's just good. It's good that they're trying to give you different options, especially in designs and all that. So this is it. It's their new Helios 300 from Acer, and I'll bring you guys more news like this. Please subscribe to our channel. Do like our content. Follow on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.